To perform a first setup on Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro, first you will need to download an app from Google Play Store called Mi Fitness. So just look for Smart Band or Mi Fitness and you should be able to find it, after which we can open the app. Make sure to allow any access app will ask for, and then move to profile. Make sure that you also that you're logged in to your Xiaomi account. After that, we can move to devices tab, and here on our watch, first thing during the setup is to pick a language, and then we need to operate in the app. Select add device in devices that I mentioned, click on your Mi Watch when it shows up, and then confirm the pairing on both of the devices. Then you can adjust the settings. And we can click on done. After that, you will see an introduction on how you can customize screen or notifications and features. Then we can turn on those notifications or customize them with this option. In this case, I'm gonna mirror my phone notifications. Then we need to also turn on notification access for Mi Fitness app. Allow it, go back, set the allowance for incoming calls also, DND profile as well, and then our Xiaomi Smart Band 9 should be ready to use.